So this is the next day. I forgot to show, or I forgot to do the oil change on the air filter. So I'll show you how to do that. It's almost stupid simple.
Switch. We can get inside it. We can do it inside. We can do it in
It's actually not that dirty. As you can see.
Actually, we're hitting
Okay.
the door that's all in front of the house. Right.
That's pretty clean,
Little house block.
but you can see down in the bottom a lot of
Over here's
junk.
my house. Over here's your house.
Yeah, now you can see it.
These are my houses. These actually, the middle's my house. Oh, the middle is nobody's. It's just the shed. This middle is a shed. This is where we put our shovels.
Damn.
Is in the shed.
Let's see.
And I'm already in the shed.
Hey, watch out. I don't want to spray this on you.
What is that?
It's carb cleaner.
What happens if they get on your clothes?
Nothing.
It was staining. Go to work. That was mine. Daddy, this middle is the shed.
Ooh, that's nasty, huh?
What it is?
Oil and dirt.
I want to see oil with dirt in
Is
in
that
there.
wet? Are you putting that wet?
No. This whole tractor used to be red. And now everywhere where you see it's red,
It's
it's
blue.
blue.
Who painted blue?
I don't know. I've heard that it's a factory option you could get from Ford.
I'm in the shed.
Dad,
And
do you like
kind of like a special edition
Daddy,
thing.
in this middle, do you know this middle? Me and my brother's shed, where we put our shells at.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Dad?
Tomorrow, Daddy.
Dad, what is that can? What does that can say? The car cleaner.
That's what it says, carb cleaner. I'm like,
What does it say?
that's what it says, carb cleaner.
Carb.
But what happens if you drink it?
Then you will probably get really sick and die or something.
Daddy, how come you need that?
You probably couldn't drink it even if you wanted to, because it's some nasty stuff.
Dad,
Hmm.
why didn't you this tractor here?
Alright, so we do
it
that.
won't leak out.
We get this, I let it dry out for a little bit. We'll put some oil in it,
Okay. What do you want?
and then we'll be ready to go. Huh, guys?
Enter Pixies!
Linda!
No,
She's chasing shadows. Leave her alone. She's busy.
No, she's trying to drink.
Oh,
Coda's
she can drink
water.
Coda's water.
What?
She can drink his water.
she's
They both can drink
Yeah.
at the same time.
Yeah.
They will get joints.
They might get germs in them. Alright. So you clean all that out as good as you can. And then, see how clean that is? It's pretty clean.
How come
And then there's actually a screen in there that's underneath. And you can take that out and clean it, but I think that since this is since that oil came out pretty clean, I think I'm not going to worry about that.
Well.
Look right here. See that screen? Yeah. And then there's a oil line. It says oil level line. So you just fill it up to there. Stupid easy, man. fool.
Stop.
So what?
You're afraid of me.
Turn that back to there. Alright. That's done. Now, the other thing is this thing. Which, you know, you gotta hand it to Ford. He did stuff cheap and easy, low maintenance. So all that is, the incoming air comes in through here, goes back up into your air filter. But whenever it gets sucked in, it gets in this little whirlwind thing. Then all the heavy particles fall down into this little catch jar. Which, dump it out. And voila. That's how you change your air filter and dump that lid. So good to go. Thanks for watching. It's a lot shorter than that last one, huh? See ya.